In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact us form on systeme.io. If you're looking to easily add a contact form to your website using systeme.io, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process together to ensure your visitors have a seamless way of reaching out to you. To begin, let's head over to the systeme.io dashboard. You'll need to navigate to your browser and type in the URL systeme.io dashboard n login. This will take you to the login page. Now it's time to enter your login email and password. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up for one so that you can follow along. Once you've entered your details, click on the sign in button. This will direct you to your systeme.io dashboard, the central hub where you can manage all your funnel activities. Now that we're in your dashboard, it's time to access the editor of the specific funnel where you want your contact form to appear. Select the funnel from your list. This opens up the editing interface where you'll be able to customize the various elements of your page. Look for the drag and drop interface. That's what makes Systeme.io so user-friendly and intuitive to navigate. Next, locate the Contact Us element from the list of widgets available in the editor. It might be under Communication Tools or Contact Elements, so take a quick scan of the menu to find it. Once you've located the Contact Us form element, simply drag it over to the position on the page where you'd like it to be displayed. Hold it and drop it into place. This step will allow you to have a fully functional contact form that visitors can use to get in touch with you directly from your website. One crucial step you won't want to overlook is saving your changes. In the top right hand corner of the page, you'll notice a Save Changes button. This confirmation step ensures that all your hard work and adjustments are securely saved to your funnel, so go ahead and click that button to solidify the modifications you've made. And there you have it, you've successfully added a Contact Us form to your systeme.io funnel. This will enhance your website's interaction capability and improve communication with your potential and existing audience. It's always rewarding to know that your visitors have an easy way to contact you, and now you enjoy that benefit with just a few simple steps. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable tutorials. Until next time, happy funnel building with systeme.io.